and no.
Some technical difficulties, guys. All right, guys, yo, it's Lath. We're back again. Yesterday we did the big body review. Today this was short notice, but I had to do it. It's a 2017 Range Rover SVR, and that's enough said.
Sport.
Enough said. So it's
Put
a
that thing.
5-liter.
You see our
V8.
shadows? Damn. Move your shadow, dude.
5-liter V8, 550 horsepower, 502 pound-feet of torque, and it's a monster, guys.
So, just a little background on why we have this. The long wheelbase is getting some work done on it, and they gave me this as a loaner because I was asking about it before. So they, you know, they're giving it to me for the day, for 2 days actually.
Quad exhaust,
and they, you know, try to get me to buy it, but of course, I know better, homies.
10K likes, we got it, dog. No.
What do you like about this? Do you like this car more than the long wheelbase?
I haven't driven it yet, so I can't say, but just purely based off of looks, this is my style more. And I don't know if it's just me, but it looks like the back is curved up, like, so the back is lower than the front.
Look at the camera.
It's so
stand right here. Doesn't matter. Stand
so
right here.
It looks like the back is curved.
Look at the camera when you talk to us, Dad.
Looks like the back is curved more.
Stop what?
I have to look at it, bro.
Stand right here.
I can't
stand
look at the
right
camera,
here
bro.
and look at the camera.
Okay, why?
Yeah, just
I have to look at the car that I'm talking about. Yeah, I have to. Now the sun's in my eye. I can't.
No, but if that way there's a shadow, man. We don't know anything. I don't know anything about. Why am I still the cameraman?
I don't know. We're gonna.
We gotta hire somebody, man. I can't be doing this every day.
All right, so we got 22-inch wheels, and
open the freaking door, man. Let's see what's.
All right,
we're
relax, dude.
The wheels. So these wheels are bigger than the long wheelbase.
22s, yeah. It's for SVR or SV, Special Vehicle Operations for Range Rover. They wanted smoothness, and I need you to
hold on.
Guys, he just zoned out.
Hold on.
He did this. This is what he just did.
Special vehicle.
Yeah, that's what SVR stands for.
I don't believe that.
Yeah,
are you sure?
No. Right. Well, I don't know what the R stands for, but SV is Special Vehicle Operation. SVO is what it's called. Range Rover SVO, Special Vehicle Operation.
I don't believe you, dude.
No, it's 100%.
Like, we can't be giving away like false information.
No, it's 100%. Like.
Okay, so let me see here. Move. Let's show the seats. So one thing I liked about this is the seat design.
It's like a bucket
seat. Bucket sporty seats. They're actually comfortable. Ooh, look at this. There's a stain right there.
Show that.
That was not. We did not cause that. That was
That's
there
10K
from the
off
loaner.
of MSRP.
It has the SVR loader right here. If you guys can see it.
Carbon
it has the old. Remember we were talking about the
infotainment?
The old infotainment. Yeah. This one actually doesn't look bad because of the carbon fiber right here. Yeah. It looks really good. There's a lot of wind, so you might want to sit in here and turn it on.
Yeah.
This is a nice startup. Here. Let's actually try that cold. It's not a cold start, but let's start up the start. Oh, you might need the keys.
No. Oh, do you not have them?
Oh, they're in there. They're in there.
Ready?
Hold on. What? Give it a rev.
Sounds really nice, guys.
You ready for your first drive?
Yeah.
Sit up your chair. Let me see. How do you feel you fit in here?
I like it more. So, just the way these seats are shaped, I feel so much more wanted in the car. I feel like some cars don't want me in them, and this car just feels amazing for my size.
Okay, let's go on the inside.
All right.
We're gonna turn this down.
So
it's still on. All right. Hopefully don't.
So let me say a couple things before we get into it.
Well, the battery might die soon, dude. So you might want to just retwitch with it.
All right. I was just gonna say steering wheel. There's nothing too special about it.
Hold it. While
it's just all leather.
Look at it. Look at the camera.
So
leave it. Yeah. Hold it straight. No, from up here where I am. But hold it looking right at your face and talk to the camera.
Like that, right? Okay. So nothing too special about the steering wheel. It's just all leather. I would like to have seen a little bit of maybe carbon fiber, Alcantara, or a combo. I know Mercedes does that with AMG, and yeah, so that's one thing I have to compare it to. And let's get into the drive. So how'd you get it into dynamic? So I know.
So let me show them. So down here, right there, move. So right here, you just turn it all the way to the left, where the symbol,
of
left
the
symbol,
curvy road.
the curvy road symbol.
So there.
And then
now we're in dynamic.
And then
okay,
yep,
so we're in dynamic. So we're gonna start it off in dynamic, and then we'll shift this knob left.
Just leave it in sport from the beginning, dog.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right, start.
All right, do you know this is your area, Mo? I don't know this.
Turn left.
These areas too well. Oh, this is crazy. This feels nice. It's like the sound, the nice sound of it. You feel it in your back, like
in your plums.
Yeah, in your plums, in your core. And this is, I feel on top of the world, man. And
hopefully, I know. I've been shaky, so I'm trying to. We need a stabilizer, man.
We're trying to get.
We can't afford one yet for the channel. Like this video to be able to afford a stabilizer. Yeah, you can go straight. Or you still put on it already?
Sounds amazing. No, we're only going like 35, but I wanted to see.
Oh, just popo, dog. You better be slowing down. Oh, it's security.
Yeah, we don't trust them.
I should get on the left lane here and get on the freeway.
Alright.
This is the first time I drive with Lath on the freeway, so I'm gonna see.
Is it really?
How he reacts. I have different experiences with Lath. Once I let him drive my truck, my big one.
Almost died.
And he was terrified. He dropped his phone when I told him to pick me up.
It was okay.
He was in a parking lot the whole time.
That's for another story. But first of all, it was raining.
What are you doing over there, messing around?
Just making sure the.
You should have done the mirrors before you started the drive, man.
That's true. That's a yeah.
That's a homie.
So, dude, I love it, man. I feel like the steering wheel's a little too far out. But I don't know.
There's the car seat, as you know, baby controls.
Okay.
Oh hell yeah, moving that steering wheel around.
Yeah,
hell
I
yeah.
like that.
Noise.
So yeah.
So I what do you think? Should I get this as a daily?
I think depending on the numbers, I'm kidding. Yeah, get it. Who cares about numbers, dog? They don't matter.
You live once, homie. I mean, I think I'll look for one of these. I think they're asking too much for it. Not that it's not worth it. I think they're asking about I want to say 85, 90 right now.
And just driving
I'm not sure.
Just driving it the way I am right now, nothing crazy. It's fun. Like it's something where if you want to buy this as a family car or as a daily.
Well, it's a performance car, so it's like a family So this is for someone like me that has kids, but at the same time wants to get in a car and feel the performance, and having a family car. My last family car sedan was a Hellcat, so this is an SUV. I always needed an SUV.
So.
All right, but take it easy here. Got some kick to it.
That feels good.
Got some kick, homie.
Dude,
so this reminds me a lot of the Hellcat, the way it picks up mid-drive. Step on it real quick. Oh, shit.
The sound is what keeps you like engaged the whole time.
Really,
and I'm telling you.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's like, honestly,
is it a driver's car?
Yeah.
This is just 3. So far, it's 3 out of 3.
Are we going straight or left?
No, left here. It's 3 out of 3 driver's cars for like. You could go straight.
Okay.
And then make a left.
I think I was drunk now.
Make a left at the next one, the next light.
And so one thing I want to say is like, I know that it's a lot of power, and this actually might be up there as one of the most.
Give us a pull, dog. I love that. So one thing I love, the exhaust. Whoa, like, don't do that shit, man. I was gonna drop the camera.
Yeah, that's the best part.
We can't afford a new camera.
No, I'm sorry. Actually, what I was trying to do is I was trying to step on it to get the revs higher so that we can get a pushback.
No more stepping.
But I'm telling you guys, I think this is. I can't think straight right now because I'm driving this insane monster. But this is definitely up there in the conversation for one of the most powerful cars I've ever driven, and it feels very tameable. And I don't feel.
You drove the 720.
That's true. That is very true.
So you should have a ranking system right now.
So
actually, no. You should have an SUV. You should have an SUV ranking system in a normal car.
Oh, this knocks all the SUVs
and a sedan
out.
car.
Left.
So SUV, yeah. So SUV. So this is. Do you feel faster than my car?
Yeah, 100%.
The Range Rover.
100%. But actually, I didn't drive your Range Rover in. I didn't drive yours in Sport.
Oh, it doesn't make a difference.
And people got really mad at me for that. But look, the GLS 63 AMG. Show them that, and that's something we're gonna be.
I don't know how to zoom in. I forgot how to zoom in on this camera, bro.
It there? Oh, there it is.
Where's the zoom in?
Oh, there's auto start stop here.
Oh yeah, here. It's a button.
Oh, I like.
So okay, this. I can't zoom in. I can't zoom in. Are we allowed to film people?
Yeah, bro.
I don't think so, man.
Dude, it's public.
Now they're looking at us weird. Just forget it.
They can't see us. Anyways, it's coming.
She's looking right at us.
Well, she's cute.
That's the
And I'm
okay.
cute. So, I mean, maybe I'll call her.
Okay, she's definitely not
she's
cute.
definitely.
I made it seem like we're just not taping anything. I don't like this. I don't like being in public with a camera in my hand.
Well, bro, we're vloggers.
Fine to know. You said you had a cameraman in mind.
Yeah, I do.
All right,
but it's not in the budget.
We're gonna use it. Late. Stop stepping on it, dude. Just chill. Drive normal, man. Enjoy. Look at the mountains. Look at these views, dude.
Yeah, the foothills, as we like to call them.
This is
Man, it is just a monster.
This is just all.
This is definitely. It's smooth, man.
Look at all this.
Or should we kick it again?
Farmland.
Should we kick it?
Mountains over there. I wish I knew how to.
Get ready. Hold it tight.
I wish I knew how to zoom. Oh wait, maybe. Wait, hold on. What are you doing? I'm about to zoom, bro. I just learned how to zoom in.
I said hold it tight, bro. I gave you a disclaimer.
Nate, I'm talking to the camera. You can't just do that.
I'm sorry, man, but it's like you don't just drive a car like this and give someone a chance to zoom in, bro. We live on the fast lane, and this car enables us to live in the fast lane. What am I saying anymore, man?
I'm holding it steady. Hold on.
Yeah. So I'm telling you, man, this is one of.
My arms hurt.
It's very enjoyable.
We need a stabilizer. I know. We're getting a stabilizer. I'm gonna order one when I find one cheap enough. And if you guys know anything about cameras, what's a good cheap stabilizer that I could use for these kinds of videos where I'm in the passenger seat? Late, you're on the right seat. He has a problem with this all SUVs. Late,
no,
you can't listen. Let me talk. No, it's every SUV I've ever been in with you. He doesn't realize how wide the car is. He's so scared of being to the left, close to any curb, that he goes on and he's over the lane.
That's not true.
Learn how to drive big cars.
Bro, my hand was right here.
No, it doesn't matter. This is the third time you've done this shit.
You want me to get more to the left? Like, I don't know.
Yeah. You need to be between the lines in the lane.
I'm sorry, bro. It's a heavy car. Like,
no, don't say. Oh my god. You're just not an SUV driver. Let's just make sure that you don't ever buy an SUV because you're too scared of it.
No, this is a car I would totally buy. And I don't care if people think I'm a good driver, if I'm not a good driver. I'm having fun.
I think the battery's gonna die soon. So, final thoughts on the SVR. Go.
Love it. If you're thinking about getting one, I would highly consider it. And literally no complaints about it, man. It's great. I love it. Everything flows real nice. And if you already have a Range Rover and you're thinking about getting it, then I tell you 100% do it.
Nice. All right.